Understanding the three big types of markets is super important for beginners. We're talking about the stock market, crypto market, and Forex market, each bringing its own cool opportunities. Gaining experience across different markets can really boost your trading skills. Just look at the speaker's journey. It shows how diversifying experiences can help you discover the most profitable market. Picking the right market is key to your success. For instance, the Indian market might have higher taxes and fees, making Forex a smarter choice for many traders. Now, think about the difference between opening a restaurant in a small village versus a bustling metro city. It really shows how market size can impact business growth. More people means more customers. Switching to the Forex market after gaining experience shows just how important adaptability is in trading. Knowing how the market works can seriously improve your investment decisions. Finding the right broker is crucial for your trading journey. A solid broker helps with transactions and minimizes losses, which can really affect your overall profits. But watch out. Some brokers get involved in scams or unethical stuff, leading to big financial losses. That's why it's super important to research your broker's legitimacy. Choosing the right trading platform also matters a lot. Popular ones like MetaTrader 5 and TradeLocker can make your trading experience way better. Let's talk about liquidity. It's a vital concept that can affect your trading strategies and decisions. Understanding liquidity can totally lead to better trading outcomes. Knowing about support and resistance levels, trend lines, and volume strength is essential for traders. These concepts help you spot market trends and potential spots to enter. But hey, don't overwhelm yourself with too much info. Focusing on key concepts is a way better strategy for trading success than trying to learn everything. Creating a solid trading strategy involves defining your market and instruments, plus managing your risks. Having clear parameters really boosts the effectiveness of your trading plans. Backtesting your strategies can help you spot weaknesses in your approach, allowing you to fine-tune your tactics using historical data. This step is super important for improving your win rates. Keeping an eye on specific trading days and setups can reveal patterns in your losses. Adjusting your strategies can help you dodge those bad situations and improve your overall game. Lastly, using demo accounts gives beginners a chance to get hands-on experience in trading before risking real money. This practice builds confidence and helps you understand how the market flows.